are chicken leg pieces. Today we are making chicken tandoori chicken. Let's start the slits for chicken. Just make 2-3 slits so that the marination get to coated very well. The slits should be like this so that the masala should be enter into that deep. Small bowl. Let's start the first marination for the chicken. Add red chilli powder 1 tablespoon full. Next add half tablespoon salt to this. Add full squeezed lemon juice. Mix them. Mix well. After mixing that, let's apply to the chicken. Let's press into that slits very well so that it coats well. The masalas are well applied to chicken and rest it for around 10 to 15 minutes so that the masala will coat very fine. So next step 2, next marination, take around 8 to 10 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste to this. 1/4 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Next add salt according to your taste. 1/4 tablespoon of peppercorn powders. A bit of fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi. Add a bit of turmeric powder. 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala. 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 tablespoon of cumin powder. Full squeezed lemon juice. Last but not the least, red food color. Mix in water. Let's mix it. After mixing this, something is missing in that is oil. Just add oil, around 2 tablespoons of the oil. Let's mix again. After mixing of oil, let's add chicken and mix well into this. So it should be coated very well. Let's coated all those chickens. I have placed all chicken pieces in a tray. Let's bake into the microwave oven. Let's start preheat. Chicken has prepared well. Chicken can serve hot.